Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods. One more temple design, home mandir design. One more because I think more than 500 videos I have made for temples only. And if you go to our channel on YouTube, you will find so many videos there, beds, dining, sofas. But the one thing that we really love to make is a home temple. We have the biggest range of home temples across the globe, and we have delivered in 55 countries already and pan India. And the basic of a home temple remains one thing: what you want. And that includes everything: the sizes, the design, the patterns, even a small element like this bird you see, or the colors, the height of the unit, open unit, with doors, without doors, LED panels. This one has got ceiling LED, down lights. Everything is customized, designed to how your requirements are. And this is another unit I am showing you in teak wood natural finish. As you can see, the color high gloss, and this one is going to Delhi. The size is, this one is 52 inches left to right, a little more than 4 feet, front to back 30 inches till this point. It has got a curve that is coming out, if you see this area, and that is why it's a little deeper than the regular units. 30 inches, 2.5 feet. The total height is 8.5 feet. Platform height till this point is 27 inches. The design part, the color part, and everything that you see in this unit is in fact the imagination, the creativity of the client himself. He wanted some particular pattern. He picked a picture from the internet, he modified that. I want something like this. The design inside, if you see, this is a little different design that we have shown you earlier. Multiple kind of steps. Here we have got extra space. Then this step is going up, the other two are down, just like a pedestal at the back, and the design at the back, and the overall look. The basic thing remains what is required. And when we think about the requirement, when we talk about the requirement, there are few things that we need to discuss here, and that's very important. And that's part of the puja tradition as well, the way we pray. We are sitting on the mat like this, or we are sitting on a chowki, we are sitting on a chair, or we are standing and praying. This one is to stand and pray. If you see, the height here is quite good. And when I'm standing here and my deities are there, it's almost the chest height, as you can see here. And this is the optimum, this is the proper position when we are praying. When we are sitting on the floor, this is a higher unit, so the hand has to reach. For everything we have to stand up. So if you are on the ground and you are or chalky, then this height has to be reduced. As I mentioned, there are three parts of any temple. The first part is the storage area underneath, then the garbhagriha, the sanctum sanctorum, and the third part is the top area with the kalash. Now, this part is entirely as per our praying traditions. Now, here you see we have a diya tray, in fact, a smaller tray. But if you want a full-size tray, we can make that too, and that becomes a bhog tray. We have to modify the design a little bit because it has got a curve. Then we have two big drawers, quite deep drawers here, and then two cabinets on the side. Here and on that other side, we have got a cabinet again. And this is as per, again, the client's requirement. Underneath you can see there are wheels. The client wanted wheels so they can move the unit easily. So, and these wheels are with the brakes. Here are the brake pedals, you can see. So once the brake pedal is done, it will not move. And once we remove the brake, it can easily move front and back or other side. It has got 4 wheels. For the bigger unit, it's a really good concept to have wheels because you can move and clean, or you can move it up here and there. If you have big room or on some occasion you want to get the temple a little ahead, that could be any reason, but the unit can be moved easily. Inside the garbhagriha, we have got this curtain wire on 3 sides, so the curtains can be installed, and once the curtains are placed, the unit will have its own different look. The basic part again remains how you want it. The size, because the bigger the size, bigger the spaces, you need a bigger size. Smaller the spaces, the unit goes smaller. The height is 8.5 feet. If your room is around 8 feet high, this is higher. If it's 9 feet, 10 feet, just like our ceiling, it's a good height. And then again, you can decide. And the third part, as I mentioned about the kalash part, this is also choice part. Whether you want it, you want a Gopuram, you want a South style Gopuram, Venkateshwara Mandir kind of, or you want a different design, let us know, we will make it. Colors, If you need natural finish, this is here. You want a darker finish, or you want to go in paints like white, off-white, golden touch, and the silver and rose gold. Then we have triple shade and dual shade and champagne, gold leafing, silver leafing. All this we have done already in so many units, so many designs that we have created and delivered world over. If you see our testimonial section, you will find so many designs there that we have already delivered to so many clients across the globe. And these are the units that can give you a very good idea on how you want your own unit to be designed. Look at the examples, and then you can decide on how the overall design is, how the space is, how the murtis are placed inside, and this can give you very good ideas. Any questions you have, we are always happy to receive your questions. The number is right here. You can contact us. Let us design a temple, a home mandir for your requirement as per your choice, and deliver it to your home right where you are at factory prices. Also, after the GST reductions, the costs are more affordable now. The prices have gone down. So better pricing, factory pricing, and home delivery in India or out of India where you are. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.